Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, a very good friend of mine has bought himself a Triumph Bonneville T120 Black that has been lowered on some YSS 4G shocks that are 30mm lower than the standard ride height. And being 6 foot 3 inches tall, the bike is a little bit low for him and he needs it jacked up. Now, he doesn't want to buy some tech shocks that are the right length and just swap them. He wants to keep the YSS shocks because they're top quality kit. And he saw the video that we made in November 22, where I made some spacers for Penny's YSS shocks to jack them up to the full height again. You might remember this. Now this is a standard tech shock and the bottom eyelet is completely removable. It just unscrews. Like so. They then supply a 30mm spacer with an M14 male thread and an M14 female thread on the bottom. So you take the spacer, screw it into the bottom of the shock, and then screw the eyelet into the spacer, making your shock 30mm longer. Now, fortunately, the YSS shocks also come with a screw-in detachable lower eyelet. But unfortunately, these are a different thread diameter and pitch to the tech spacers, so I can't just adopt a pair of these and use them. But I have got them as inspiration. I do know what to do to make them. I just need to make them the correct dimensions. I've got some aluminium bar ends. I've invested in the right thread cutting tools to make the correct thread. I've got the lathe, so let's see how we get on making a pair for myself. But this time, I'll be making a pair for a very deserving friend. Let's go. Right, okay, now to make these, they need to be, as it says on the board, 30mm long by an 18mm long thread on the top. So 48 in length I need in total and a diameter of 25. That's the width of the shaft on the shock. So in diameter on these is 37, so that's fine. Plenty there I can skin down. And in length they are 65 and 69. So I've got inside each one of these little offcuts, I've got a spacer hiding in there, ready to be carved out, no problem at all. So when you haven't got a nice long comfortable piece of bar stock to make them from, you can still make them from offcuts. Use what you have, be frugal.